As a child, every bath felt like a dive into the ocean. I would picture myself drifting among sea creatures, lost in a world beneath the waves. We cleanse ourselves with water, yet leave the filth behind for the sea to bear. Surrounded by water in our daily lives, we often take its presence for granted, unaware that beneath its surface, the threat of pollution quietly grows.